Crypto is making a comeback. Months ago, Bitcoin has bottomed out in the $3,000s and now is oscillating around the $7,000 mark. Despite the flameout in the ICO market, new tokens are still being launched by startups. Earn Bitcoins while using your browser. CryptoTab is the world's first browser with built-in mining feature. It lets you earn cryptocurrency just by visiting sites, watching videos or chatting online. Try new CryptoTab Browser with improved mining algorithm, mine up to 8 times faster compared to Google Chrome extension. Are you surprised that it is exactly Bitcoin being mined? CryptoTab work is based on a smart system, which dynamically switches mining between several cryptocurrencies for increasing profit up to 8x relative to continued mining of the only one cryptocurrency. Our script automatically switches mining to the most profitable coin at the moment, given the mining difficulty and stock exchange rates. After that, we convert all funds into Bitcoin. That's why your balance is displayed in BTC. It's the world's dominant cryptocurrency now, therefore we convert all funds exactly in Bitcoin. Become a part of a huge mining pool. The bigger the pool's computing power is, the bigger blocks can be solved, the more money you can earn. Invite most active friends of yours, who will in turn invite their own friends and start making real money. Get more than 1 BTC. Boost your Bitcoin income. Share the link to CryptoTab with your friends and get extra earnings in BTC depending on their earnings. The more you and your friends invite, the more you earn. Be proactive and make thousands of USD per month. Copy your personal link by plugin and share it across Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, forums, and etc. Invite your friends now to grow your mining network rapidly. Motivate them with good passive earnings as it truly works. Use all resources for PR and it will pay off in full. Use all the means to promote and create interest and it will pay for itself. Transparency alert. In the crypto space, there are so many opportunities to earn small amounts of Bitcoin. Good Bitcoin news can often drive new opportunities to grow your BTC, so every little bit counts.